Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you're highly welcome. So today we are doing a nude makeup look. If you want to see more of makeup video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Share your thoughts on the comment section. I'll be reading all of them. Let's go straight into the video. So I'm starting off by priming my brows with Pond Lasting Oil Primer since I produce so much oil in my brow bone area and I want my brow to stay all day. I'm lining my brows now with David's No. 3 eye pencil. I'm now filling it in from the outer corner. When I get to the inner corner, I draw a hair-like strokes or hair-like trans. So to clean my lower brow, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm applying this using a flat angle brush. After that, I'll blend it in with my middle finger so that the blend will be seamless. So to line my upper brow, I'm going in with my foundation, which is the Maybelline Superstay in the shade Warm Coconut. And I'll still blend it out with my middle finger so that when I apply foundation later, the blend will be seamless. So I'm going back in with that LA Girl Pro Concealer, the one I used to line my... Okay, sorry. These are for beginners. Please, after using the foundation to line your upper brow, you put in between and blend in. So that when you're applying foundation later, it won't give any issue. So I'm going back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer as my eyeshadow base. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm going in first with this Nude 2 palette and I'm using this brown shade. It's almost my skin tone. So I'm applying it on my outer crease, blending in towards my inner crease area. Like I said, today we are doing a nude makeup look. So we want everything to look seamless. So for my second transition color, I'm using that brown shade to blend everything in. You guys now hate harsh lines. Harsh line does not make the makeup, it does not look good. So for my third transition, I wanted going to deepen the crease. So I went in with that deep green shade, but it looks like black, but it's actually deep green to darken my crease area. So I went back to blend it in with that my second transition color. So to cut my crease, I went in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond since it's actually lighter. And when you're cutting your crease, you draw the outline first, then you can fill it in as a beginner. So for my lid area, I'm going in with this Morphe 35A eyeshadow palette and I'm using that color, that silver shade, and I'm applying it using a dabbing motion. And I wait for my concealer to dry first before I apply using a dabbing motion. For maximum pigmentation, you dab your eyeshadow. So I went back in with that first transition color to blend in any harsh lines. So onto the face, I've gone in with Nivea body cream to moisturize my whole face. Now I'm drawing my wing eye using the gel liner. And guys, you can do this in patches. For beginners, you can do this in patches so that it will be easier. So I went back in with that Pond's Lasting Oil Primer. I'm applying this all over my face since I produce oil all over my face. And apply using a generous amount. I'm not shy with the primer. So I went in now with my lashes and I used the classic glue for lash glue. I like pressing in my falsies to my natural lash because I don't like seeing that chunky ones outside when I walk close to somebody, so I press them in together. So I'm now applying my foundation, which is the Maybelline Super Stay, the one I showed you guys before, and I'm blending it in using my Damn Beauty blender, and I use a dabbing motion for this. Guys, please don't forget to blend in your neck. No matter how perfect the foundation matches your skin tone, since I have smile lines, I start about and I crease around there, so that's why I was doing like that, to blend so that my foundation won't crease. So for my highlighter today, I still went back in with that LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and applying this beneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I'm still blending it out with that same Damn Beauty blender. I'm using a dabbing motion. I've been repeatedly saying this: you dab, you don't drag, especially for beginners, guys. And you don't drag the concealer all the way to your hairline because it will make your face look flat. So to set the highlighted part of my face, my finishing powder, my highlight, I'm using this Avo Professional Powder Palette, my all-time favorite. Even though maybe if I use any other high-end product, I might change my mind. So I'm using a dabbing motion for this to apply. I'm using a brush for this too. And I don't bake. I never bake, guys. I just apply it. I dab it into my skin. For contouring, I still went back in with that same Avo Professional Powder Palette and I'm applying this using a circular motion. As you guys can see, I'm applying it from the highest point of my ear. I apply using a circular motion so that there will be no harsh lines. And guys, please blend in your hairline too, so that it will not feel like you have a mask on. The blend will be seamless. For my nose contour, I went in with a smaller brush and I start beneath my brow bone, within my brow area, and I blend it going downward. And I do same to the other part of my face, the other part of my nose, sorry. So guys, forgive me, the clip I use for setting, I don't know the thing. Okay, now I'm setting all over my face. Guys, this step is actually important. You set all over your face because you don't know when you hug somebody and you leave the person's shirt and some of your makeup is on that person's clothes. You want to avoid that, so you set all over your face. So I'm lining my waterline now with that same brow gel I used before. And smudging out my under eye area using that first transition color I used. And guys, I was saying before, my clip, the one for the setting spray, I lost it. So after setting my whole face, I go in with the highlighter and I'm highlighting the tip of my nose. I blend it out, the bridge of my nose. I blend it out with my middle finger, with my finger, and with my cubic bow too. My brow bone area not excluded. And my brow bone area, I use a circular motion for the since I wanted it to blend in well. I didn't want the line to look like one harsh line I just drew. So to highlight my chin, I went in with this highlighting brush and I'm applying using a circular motion. I highlight directly above my contour using a circular motion so that the blend will be seamless. So for my brow, for my lips, I went in with this MAC lip liner. I've forgotten the name of it. It will be in the description box. After that, I went in with this nude shade. I just applied only on my lower lips. I didn't blend with my upper lips and I used my finger to blend it out since I didn't smudge it with my upper lips. So I wanted something glossy, so I went in with this Tara lip gloss and applied it to give me that effect. I still went back in with that lip liner to blend everything in. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you learned something from today's video. Don't forget to share your thoughts on the comment section. Support your girl by subscribing, share too. So until the next video, take care of yourself, stay safe, bye.